Hello, my superstars. How are you today? Can you guess what today is? You're right, it's my birthday, and I'm so excited to be 5 today. I want to share my birthday celebration with you today by reading you a special story. My story is called Lots of Love, Little One, Always and Forever by Sandra McSalmon. Lots of love, little one, always and forever. You're a gift and a blessing in every way. I love you more each and every day. I love you more than all the stars that twinkle at night, and all the fireflies that glow so bright. I love you more than all the languages spoken in the world. I love you. Je t'aime, te amo, wo'ani. And more than all the dancers that have ever twirled. I love you more than all the adventures you have ahead. And more than all the peanut butter and jelly spread on bread. I love you so much, my precious little ones. You are a light in my life, like the moon and the sun. I'll love you as you sleep at night and play through the days. I'll love you yesterday, today, forever, and always. The end. What a special story, boys and girls. I wanted to share that with you today and let you know that I miss you so very much and I love you lots. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.